Okay, hi YouTubers, I'm back again with part 2 to my video with curling my synthetic hair with boiling water. So here I have a bowl of water that I have set to set to boil on the stove in the sink, which by the way I just set it with some, and now to dump the water on it. It's shrinking. Okay, so far nothing spectacular is happening, so I guess it means I'm not damaging the hair. Let's hope. Sure everything is saturated. And we are done. Okay, I will come back to you guys again after I have patted this dry and let it air dry overnight. So until then, see you guys later for part 3. Bye.